Friends, now I'm gonna show you Shiva's new birthday gift. Ooh, this looks nice. So, oh, Shiva kept these things. He was playing with this. I took this and I'm recording this video. Ooh, how does it work? Oh, this is going. What is this truck? Ooh, it is Hot Wheels. Yeah. Ooh, what happened? I can't see this track. See this track? It's nice. So for this track, I have some. We bought some cars for Shiva. See, they are Avengers cars, and there are 3 Hot Wheels cars also, and there are total 7. Still we have cars, but these are the best cars. This is Black Panther car, Iron Man, Thor, and the last is Captain America cars. These 4 cars are rare cars. There are only 4 of these. Whereas, just joking. See, these 3 are Hot Wheels cars. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited about how this truck works. What? Oh. Oh, I understood. Now I understood. So, now we can keep it like this. And we should keep the trucks and cars like this. Yes? See, I kept these 3 in one row. These 2 in one row. And now, I'll turn it. And I'll keep this thing in this row. And this car in this row. Now, ooh, something's missing. Shiva, get me some cars. Okay. No. What? Now I understood something. I'll show you something. See, in this gap also, okay, we should remove these cars first. Yeah. So that's out, this out, this out. See this thing. We can keep the cars over here also. So there are arrows over here. And we can remove this thing and we can keep cars in this like this. See it? So we can keep only Hot Wheels, but we are fitting some cars. I think that it's possible. These 2 are Hot Wheels, so we should keep them here. This is possible, yeah. So we can take it over here and we should keep it like this and close it. Yes, done. See it. So if we open this thing, we can see cars over here. And we can also keep it. Oh, my hand. We can also keep it over here, cars. See. So Oh, that's funny. Ow! And this is a truck model, and I'll show you something. Oh yes. See, we can keep cars over here also. This is not something. This we can keep cars in this thing also. Over here, yeah. There is some place here. I mean here and here. So we can keep cars over there also. And this truck is possible to move. It is possible to move. And we can turn it. Even turn it. See this thing. Ooh, why it's not turning this? Oh, not that much. Yeah. See, it is it is possible to move and it can turn.